Hey beauties, so I was just on my lunch break and I thought I would just pop in really quick because guys, I was looking online and I saw something so amazing has just started at CVS, so I couldn't wait to share it with you beauties. I know a lot of you guys love shopping at the drugstore just like me, and CVS is definitely one of my favorite drugstores, and now after what I read today, I am 100% even more in love with shopping at CVS. So just recently, CVS has come out with a new initiative called CVS Beauty Unaltered, and so they are going to try their best. I believe 70% of the images they're going for in CVS are now going to be marked with a special beauty mark logo, and this logo is going to let you know whether the images that you're seeing in the beauty and in the makeup section at CVS have been altered in any way. If they've been photoshopped, you know, digitally altered, thinning out the faces, skin lightening, you know, removing of freckles, wrinkles, all of that stuff that they do to Photoshop. CVS is now going to be putting a logo on the images in the makeup and the beauty section. So I'll put a link in. I'll put a little picture in so you guys can see, but this is pretty much what it's going to look like. So when you see that image, the beauty mark logo, you are going to know whether the image you're seeing has been altered, you know, photoshopped in any way. So they are aiming for now trying to get as many photos out there, as many beauty campaigns, makeup campaigns, to not Photoshop the pictures anymore. And if they are Photoshopped, then they're going to be letting us, the consumer, know. So I could not be more happier. I know since I was very young, I love to go to CVS. I love to look at beauty in magazines, and I used to feel so horrible about myself seeing these pictures, people with totally poreless complexions, you know, no wrinkles, flawless, looking like, you know, basically like your doll. And and to be honest, it could not be further from the truth. I hate to even say, but I myself have even met quite a few celebrities and that have appeared in beauty and makeup campaigns, and when you see the photos in the campaign, they are nothing like what they look like in real life. And because they look like human beings, we all look the same. We all really do look the same. I mean, of course there's variations in, you know, skin tone and eyes and hair and body, but you know, we all are pretty much have the same blueprint, you know, the kind of, and so when you see these images of people just looking so amazing in this kind of skin, it doesn't exist for anybody. It's Photoshop. So I'm so happy that so many makeup and beauty companies are on board, and they are going to work as well to provide as many images as they can that are no longer going to be digitally altered and photoshopped. So I know companies like Neutrogena, CoverGirl, Revlon are already on board, and there is quite a few more. I'll link them below. But so many companies are really excited. They are all taking part in this initiative with CVS. So I could not be happier for all women and all beauty lovers and men, because how many times have you felt horrible kind of thinking, why don't you look like what you see in the ad? And meanwhile, they don't look like that. They do not look like that whatsoever. It is Photoshop, and it is not just Photoshop, but it is extreme Photoshop what is going on out there. It is unbelievable. But thankfully now things are changing, because what you're seeing is not real whatsoever. It is just not real, guys, and now we are all going to be able to, you know, see, and then we can appreciate ourselves, because you'll see that you do look like that celebrity or that model. We all look the same. I feel like all human beings, you know, we look the same, you know, we have the same framework, but you know, we all have texture, we all have pores, we all have wrinkles, we all have all that good stuff, and there's nothing wrong with it. So it's just that when you see these images, you're thinking that there's people out there, or there's things, or that if you did, you would look better or like that, and they don't look like that. So now everybody is going to see that, and we can appreciate and enjoy real beauty, real ourselves, you know, for how we truly are, and that is so amazing. So you can truly, you know, love yourself as you are. You don't need to change. Of course, if you want to play and, you know, use your lotions and enhance what you have and love yourself, that's awesome. But never, never, never look at pictures and think, why don't I look like that? They don't look like that, you know. It's all Photoshop, and it is extreme Photoshop. And the television is Photoshopped, the movies are Photoshopped, everything is Photoshopped where you cannot even believe. The cameras have filters in them. My camera does have a filter in it, but you know, it's there. It is what it is. But my camera is a very inexpensive camera. Now imagine in Hollywood and these huge big budget, they are using like $1 million cameras. That is the Photoshop in that camera, $1 million worth. So believe me, what you're seeing on YouTube, what you're seeing, you know, even on social media, is nothing compared to what they're producing in like Hollywood and these big budgets with celebrities, and what you're seeing like in, you know, what you have been seeing in these campaigns in, you know, CVS and whatnot. Believe me, it is more Photoshop than you can ever in your wildest dreams believe. But now, thankfully, CVS is taking a stand, and so this is no longer going to be, you know, the norm. We're going to start seeing normal faces, normal, beautiful, what beauty really is, you know, and that is amazing. So be on the lookout for that Beauty Mark logo. Let me know if you guys see it. Are you excited for this new initiative? I know I am, and I also, when I was reading about this, I saw that CVS was the first drugstore to stop selling cigarettes. So now I'm like, oh, I just love CVS even more now. And come on, those beauty bucks, I'll get like $20 back in beauty bucks. I don't know about you dolls, but I'm obsessed with getting beauty bucks. So guys, let me know what you think of this new initiative. Let me know if you've seen the Beauty Mark logo already. What do you guys think about this? Are you excited about it or what? I know I am. That's why I couldn't wait to come and tell you guys. So let me know if you guys see it. Like I said, let me know your thoughts, and I hope you're having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, love you.